Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this super quick video we're just going to address the question that we're often asked, which is why does my bread slope to one side so much? This can happen, it's quite common, and there's a couple of reasons that might cause it. The first one is just be careful when it comes to selecting the recipe and the baking program. We know we're all in a rush, this can happen to anyone, but make sure you're using the correct recipe to match with the baking program. That's going to affect the baking quality massively. So do just double check that those are the right recipes you're using for the baking program. And the second reason is actually down to that moisture level. So if your bread is sloping to one side, that means there's a slight structural issue, but it can be fixed really easily in the next bake. Make sure you just add 10 to 20 milliliters more water to the recipe next time, and that should lift your bread up really nicely, give it more moisture, and it will make it look fantastic. So I hope that helps. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.